Y'all know what a CPAP is? It's for people with sleep apnea, for little people that don't understand this. It's where fat people, we go to sleep and we die. That's pretty much what happens. The fat cells in our neck like, we have lived a long, good life. Let this thing go. Well, how will we do this? Let's crush his airway while he's not looking. When should we do it? During a baseball game or NASCAR? He tends to doze off during that. So if you hear, that is not a snore. That is the fat cells just charging their way through to the airway, just stop him breathing down. So yeah. So I wear this octopus that sits on my face like this. It's quite amazing. And my wife, her voice changes seasonally here in Tennessee. Like sometimes it's real nice and pretty, and sometimes it's not. It's like she takes on the persona of my father. You know, like, hey, how you doing? I'm pretty good, how are you? I mean, that's bad enough. I know I'm going to sleep next to my sister, but I don't want to be waking up surprised by my brother. You know, it's just not, that's kind of odd. So my son, he's a little bitty kid, and he was like, he'd have nightmares. And he'd come down and he'd talk to him. He'd say, well, I had a dream. You know, I'm over there with my snorkel, trying not to pay attention. And she turns to him and said, tell Mama all about it. let Mama give you a special dream. Just think about me and you going out to the woods, picking them flowers like Mama likes. He screamed. He starts running that 3-mile trek around the bed, you know, comes to Daddy for support, and I'm like, I am your father. And a big old trail of pee heading back up the stairs. If y'all don't know, I'm pretty sure everybody here knows, my wife and I, we got married in 1998, high school sweethearts. Been married 24 years, and then, hey, thank you. And people are like, oh, you're so lucky. Like, you have no idea. It's a lot of work. It really is. On both sides of the coin, I promise you. I'm horrible. She's horrible. We're horrible together. But let me tell you why. Because in 2002, my mother married her father. I thought y'all would know this by now. So my wife and I are technically brother and sister. We got to keep that marriage strong, y'all, because we have a nice home together. I don't want to go share a bedroom back at Mom's house. We bought this king-size Tempur-Pedic mattress, which is amazing. If you ever had one, go ahead and get one. I'll be happy to show you how to use it. No, it's a clean show, nasty. Wendy, help. If you've never seen a king-size Tempur-Pedic mattress, they're just big. And then they're also very comfortable. You get on a Tempur-Pedic mattress, you just get in, and no matter whatever position you were in when you got in it, that's the position you're going to be in until you get back out. It just wraps you up with just like that. It even makes that sound. And you're like, oh, this is so amazing, it's so comfortable. And yeah, if you have to move, you actually have to get back out of the bed and circle around like a dog. You know. You try to move anything in there, you got to do the hip bump and try to get out of that hole. It also provides distance. Yes. Yes. If I want to kiss my wife goodnight, thank you, Kelly. I have to really think about it because it's really difficult because she's like 3 barrel rolls away. And I do not have the core muscles to make that happen. You know,
If we want to be intimate, we just high-five it out. And if we're really feeling it, we'll clench. That's why I don't high-five anybody. Marty Quinn tried to high-five me several times today. I fist bumped him like, he just doesn't know, does he? I am married, Marty. This hand is meant for my sister. We've been married for 27 years, but we've been siblings for 23.